welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be telling you all about my skincare routine. This is going to be my current skincare routine. If you want a skincare routine on how I cleared up my acne, I'll be linking that for you up above somewhere in the little flag button, because I did have what I would consider mild to severe acne. So if you are interested in how I cleared that up in about 6 months, go ahead and watch that. And another thing I did want to mention is that when it comes to my skincare routine in particular, I do consider shaving my face a part of my skincare routine, and if you're interested in how I do that, I will also be linking that video. It's one of the more recent videos of mine, so that's going to be up here as well. Without further ado, let's jump right in to this skincare routine. I will be breaking up my morning skincare routine and then my nighttime skincare routine for you. A lot of the products do overlap, but there are a few things that are different. For my morning skincare routine, I will use the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser right here. Now, I know some people are allergic to soy, but I am not, so this is the cleanser I use. I got the big bottle. As you can see, this is like limited edition or whatever, but I just got it because of the size and the quantity of product that was in here. So I use that every morning, and then I follow it with the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. This is non-comedogenic. It's not going to clog your pores. I love this moisturizer. I swear by it. My skin is not the same without it. And on top of that, I will take the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion with sunscreen just to add a bit of sun protection. So that's this right here. It's the AM. This is also non-comedogenic. I am big on those type of products, especially with my skin type. I have what you would consider normal to occasionally dry skin. I do get a few dry patches here and there, so I do like to stay really moisturized. I used to have T-zone skin, combo skin, so that's why my acne skincare routine is slightly different from this one, although some of these products were part of that as well. So then once I apply that, that's it. That's it for the morning AM skincare routine. So now let's jump to the nighttime skincare routine. I will once again take the soy face cleanser from Fresh, and then I will immediately follow that with the Dr. V. Schwab bamboo cream peel. This is an exfoliating kind of it's like a thicker consistency, but I follow that immediately after this. After I rinse this off, I'll take some of this and then exfoliate my skin. So I'm exfoliating my skin every single day. This is not a harsh scrub either. This is very soft, very gentle on the skin. After that, I once again moisturize with the First Aid Beauty Moisturizer, and also keep in mind I'll be linking all these products for you down below, or at least listing them, so that you can see exactly which products I'm talking about, because I know that sometimes with the lights, like it kind of like washes out the product and everything. And so once I apply my moisturizer, I take my Adapalene Gel. This is prescribed to me by my dermatologist. This is how I also exfoliate my skin in a way, and this is what helps me with my acne and keeping the texture down. So if you're interested in trying something like this, they do sell at the drugstore. I know personally that Walmart sells it. It's the Different Gel. That is a 0.1% lower grade or 0.2% lower grade prescription of this product, but if it's a way to try it out and it could possibly help you with your acne. I talk more about that as well in my other video. I do use this every night, basically all over my face, the thinnest layer, because a thicker layer is not going to make a bigger difference in the skin. It's just going to dry your skin out more. And then finally, I take my Kopari lip glossy. This is what I use during my PM skincare routine, and I leave it on overnight because I feel it's more of a lip treatment rather than kind of like a lip moisturizer, if that makes sense. And I don't have it with me right now. It's in my bag in my car, but I do use the Fresh lip balms, the ones that come in like a variety of different like flavors, and then there's the original and it has sunscreen in it. I do use that one. I like the rosé one, and then I also like the original, so I will apply that in the morning and throughout the day. Now, a few kind of like extra products that aren't a part of my everyday skincare routine but are a part of my skincare routine overall. I like the Origins Out of Trouble 10-minute to Rescue Problem Skin Mask. This mask just kind of like alleviates the skin, calms down inflammation and redness, and it's just an overall very gentle mask that doesn't sting, because I know that some masks, once you apply them, they can sting. So this one does not sting me, and it overall just feels super calming on the skin and refreshing. I like that it's quick. It's 10 minutes. You apply it, you wash it off, done. Good to go. I do this kind of just as needed. Like, my skin right now is way more calmed down than it was when I filmed my Hourglass first impression and demo. If you take a look at my skin in that video, it looks a little bit more texturized, and like I had inflammation, I was having breakouts, and this really helped me clear that up really quickly. The last two products I have here is the Caudalie Vinoperfect Serum. Now this just gives the most amazing glow to the skin. If I ever feel like my skin's looking a little dull, I will apply this at night after my moisturizer all over the face and then pat it in, because it does leave a little bit of a tacky finish, but that's completely okay with me. Now this is a very expensive serum. I kind of thought about making a video on why I use an expensive serum at my age, so if you're interested in that, I can definitely film that for all of you. And then lastly, here I have the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. I talked about this in my September favorites for 2018. This is one of the larger sizes, but there is a bigger size after this, I believe. Now this just kind of like evens out your skin. Now my skin has been pretty even lately, but when I feel like I'm having a little bit more of discoloration, that some parts of my face are darker than others, I will go ahead and take this and on one of those cotton rounds and lightly pat it around the face, and I just feel like this evens out my skin tone. So that's it. That's it for my skincare routine. I like to keep it really minimal. I like to not have a lot of products on hand. I like to go through what I love. I'm someone who sticks to the things that I love. I don't really like messing with my skincare routine too much, because I found what works really well for me, but I sometimes do try to sneak in products. Like, the product that sneaked in was the CeraVe sunscreen. I didn't ever anticipate adding this to my skincare routine, but I did. I was using a different sunscreen before that I also like, but it's much thicker and it doesn't come with moisturizer. So that aside, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a like, comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone. This is my skin up close right now if you are interested. I just filmed this look for Instagram. If you're ever wondering what's on my face, what I'm wearing, how did I get this look, I usually film these tutorials for my Instagram, Makeup by Melina. So if you're interested in this look or any looks in my previous like 4 videos, I want to say, that's where it's gonna be.